Hi, I'm Jim Palsowitz, founder of Action Coach of Elm Grove. Over the last 9 years, we've built the most successful business coaching firm with Action Coach, a worldwide group of coaches, and we've done it right here in Milwaukee. So since 2004, we've been helping hundreds of business owners just like you to build a better business. So here's what we've seen in talking to business owners over the years. Most business owners have one or all of these three main challenges. One, they're not making the kind of money that they really want to make in their business. Two, they just don't have time to work on the business and build the business they really want. Too much time fighting fires. And three, they've really even given up on trying to find the people to build a great team who can actually run their business. So time, team, and money are the three challenges that we usually see. So let me show you what's going on if you're experiencing some of these challenges. Because here's what we find. Sometimes an owner has a great idea, starts a business, and they go ahead and they get some customers and they take care of them, do a great job, and they get busy. So they set up a business to help them grow, and then they started hiring some team members, and that didn't work out so well, and they can't rely on them, so they go ahead and take care of their own customers, and oh, by the way, they're still doing the accounting and taking care of the business too. So what's the result of this? Right, you're too stretched too thin, too busy to really get this business to where you really want it to go, and thus no time to work on anything else. And so if this is happening with you, you're not alone. I mean, we see this all the time. And the reason it's no surprise to us is that nobody's shown you as a business owner what the roadmap is to build a successful business. So that's where we come in. As Action Coach of Elm Grove, our mission is really to help business owners to see the roadmap and get the tools and the systems to build a successful business, and then be able to hire more people and grow their business and get their business to where they really want to, and especially start making the kind of money that they really want to. So you probably never have heard of us, and that's why we're reaching out to you, because business owners we've been working with over the last 9 years have really only heard of us through word of mouth or through referrals. But now we're expanding, and we're ready to make our coaching programs available to more business owners in Southeast Wisconsin. And that's why we reached out to you. So if any of this sounds familiar and you have any interest at all at learning how to build a better business, then I encourage you to check out the rest of this page. Take a look at some of the short testimonial videos from other business owners, just like you, who have been through our coaching program. See the results they've gotten. And then if you'd like to learn more, no obligation at all. Just check out the form here and share with us some of your contact information. Promise we won't spam you or sell your name or anything like that. We just want to start building a relationship with you and helping you to build a better business. So give us some information about yourself. We'll be back to you, inviting you to another video where I'll show you the roadmap to building a better business. So thanks for stopping by and checking us out. Take a look at the testimonials. Check out our website. There's a link on this page. And hopefully I'm back to you soon in our next video. Okay? Thanks.